children, how are you boys and girls? I hope you're all fine and welcome to today's class. Today I want us to learn about materials that we need to keep our school clean. But even before we do that, you're going to review our last lesson, which was on materials that make our school dirty. And I'll pose the question to you: what materials makes our school dirty? Name them. Another one, another one, another one. And I hope these are the things that you've named. Number one, you have the pencil chips, whereby when you sharpen your pencils, they can make the school floor so messy. We also have the dry leaves, whereby the trees outside, when the leaves fall, they can really make the compound messy. We also have plastic bottles, whereby if you do not dispose them in the right way, they can make the school very messy and very dirty. Apart from that, we have the broken lockers and the broken chairs. If not well disposed, they can also make the school dirty. What else have I forgotten? Anything else that makes the school dirty? Yes. If you do not weed the flower beds, and there are lots of weeds there, the school will also look dirty. And that is not today's lesson. Our main lesson is on materials we need to keep our school clean. Okay, children? And I want you to ask yourself, what do I need to make either the school clean or even at home? They are the same materials. And a good example is a bucket. We have a bucket. And I have the areas with me. Let me show you what I have. Yeah. This is the bucket. When cleaning, you need a bucket whereby it will help you to hold the water. This is a bucket. We also need something else like, what is this, children? Yes, it is a dustbin. And what do we use the dustbin for? It is for putting the trash in class, all around the corridors or wherever it is in the school compound. We also have something else. I have two things with me that works hand in hand. On this hand, I have a dustpan. On the other hand, I have a broom, whereby the broom you use it to sweep the floor as well as the compound. And we have the dustpan for collecting the dirt. And this is how you do it. You sweep, then you make sure all trash that you're sweeping goes to the dustpan. Apart from that, I have other things with me. I have a mop. And also I have a mop with me, which is used to mop the floor. That's how you do it. And finally, I brought a scrubbing broom with me, or a hard broom, which is used to scrub the floor. And those are among the things we use to clean the school, but there are so many other things, okay? Like the towels, which are used to wipe the windows, or even the lockers, or even the tables, but I've not brought them. Okay, children? Now, away from that, I also want us to look at importances of keeping the school clean. And I want you to think, why should you keep the school clean? And number two, what would happen if you would live in a dirty school? And these are the most likely things that would happen. Number one, there will be a lot of accidents in school. Let's assume whereby you eat your fruits, dump the peels anywhere. Somebody might step on them and fall and get either a cut or even bump on his head. Apart from that, so we'll avoid a lot of accidents if we keep our school clean. And number two, we'll avoid diseases. If you live in a clean environment, you're not likely to get in contact with the germs, and so you will not have diseases. You will not have any disease. Let's go to number three, whereby if you keep the school clean, it will look so beautiful. A clean school looks beautiful. And number four, whereby if you keep the school clean, it will keep the harmful animals away. A good example is our prey field. If we trim the grass there, animals like snake, which are very harmful, will not come. And also, if you keep the trash in the right place, other animals like the rats will not come to our school. And with that, we come to the end of the lesson. There are so many other importances that we're going to talk about in the next class.